practice writing nuclear equations for alpha and beta emission processes. Write the balanced nuclear equation for the A, alpha emission of thorium-225, and B, beta emission of cesium-137. You'll need a periodic table to answer this. Pause the video to determine the answers. To write the equation for the alpha emission of thorium-225, we need the atomic number of thorium. We find thorium in the actinide row, and it has an atomic number of 90. Thorium with a mass number of 225 written on the top and an atomic number of 90 written on the bottom. We write the symbol for thorium, capital T, lowercase a, to the right of those numbers. And then that is on the left-hand side of the arrow. On the right-hand side of the arrow, we place the symbol for the alpha particle with a mass number of 4 and atomic number of 2. I also put a plus symbol and a line where I'll fill in the symbol for the isotope that is formed. Since the sum of the atomic numbers must be the same on both sides of the arrow, I know that the atomic number of the isotope formed must be 88, since 88 plus 2 is equal to 90. The mass number of this isotope must be 221, since 225 minus 4 is equal to 221. I can determine which element has an atomic number of 88 by looking at the periodic table. The element with an atomic number of 80 is radium, capital R, lowercase a. Once I place the elemental symbol of radium to the right of its mass and atomic numbers, we're done. To write the equation for the beta emission of cesium-137, we need its atomic number. Cesium is an alkali metal, and its atomic number is 55. On the left-hand side of the symbol, we write the mass number, 137, on the top, the atomic number, 55, on the bottom, and directly to the right, the elemental symbol of cesium, capital C, lowercase s. Then we write an arrow and the symbol for the beta particle with a mass number of 0 and an atomic number of -1. I also place a positive symbol with a plus symbol and a line where I'll fill in the symbol for the isotope produced. The mass number of the isotope that will be formed must be 137, since 137 plus 0 is equal to 137. The atomic number must be 56, since 56 plus -1 is equal to 55. We'll look on the periodic table to see which element has an atomic number of 56. And we find that it's barium, capital B, lowercase a. After writing the elemental symbol to the right of the mass and atomic numbers, the equation for the beta emission of cesium-137 is complete.